You may have heard of Elf on a Shelf, but have you heard of Garcelle on Pharrell? Or Grease on Reese? What about the Crown on Brown? Many people on Instagram and Twitter are taking part in the My Elf Challenge, which is a trend that puts a spin on Elf on the Shelf, a children's book that has led to a Christmas tradition where parents put out an elf in the house supposedly to watch the children for Santa. Participating in the trend means finding a rhyming sequence of words similar to Elf on the Shelf and then editing the two things that you're rhyming into a photo together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own version of this Elf on a Shelf meme using a free online editor where you can erase images and also search for them all in one go. So it's as easy as it possibly could be. So the first step in making this meme is to find two words that rhyme together. And most people have been doing celebrities, but you can also do places or objects or whatever you want. It's up to you. So for example, Grease on Reese rhymes. In this tutorial, I'm going to use the example of Millie on Billie, which is Millie Bobby Brown and then Billie Eilish. Once you have your rhyme, then you can head to the editor to actually put the photos together. So just click the first link in the description below and you'll head to Kapwing. This is a free online editor where you can edit images, but also videos and GIFs. You can search for images right within this editor and then erase the backgrounds and make different aspect ratios and crops so that you can post it straight to social media. So first step is to grab your images. I'm just gonna start with a blank canvas here. And on the side here, we see that we have different output sizes. This is a square, which is perfect for Instagram, but if you're doing it on Twitter or something, 16:9 might be better. So to add your images, you can either upload them here if you already have them on your device, or you can click images up here to search right within the editor. For my meme, I'm doing Millie on Billie, so I'm gonna search for a Billie Eilish photo to start with, which is gonna be the photo in the background. And I think I like this one of Billie. This is kind of her classic look, so it's brought into the editor. You can adjust the lighting and things on the side here or crop it. And then if you want to just resize it, just click these purple dots. And if you click lock ratio, it will resize proportionally. So there we go, I've got my Billie photo. Now I'm gonna find my Millie Bobby Brown photo. And with this meme, you want it to be like the person or the object, whatever it is that's on the photo, looks like it's really there. So I'm gonna choose a photo of Millie with her whole body in it. I can resize it down, and so it'll look like she's standing on Billie's shoulder. It looks kind of tacky like this with the background, so you want to remove that background. Just click the photo and then on the side here, there should be an erase button. You can either use the magic wand or the erase tool to erase the background. So the magic wand erases more efficiently. You can basically click and drag to select different parts of the photo, and it selects areas that are similar to each other. And if you keep moving around, it'll select different combinations of the area. You can change the sensitivity here, and then once you want to delete, just hit delete. And then with the freehand erase, you can just drag over different areas of the photo and it will delete those pixels. I'm gonna go in and select areas that are similar and delete them more efficiently. And then if there are spots left over, like over here, I can go in with the freehand erase and do that. So I've erased with the magic wand, and now I'm going to zoom in and then go over these pixels that remained with this eraser. You can adjust the size of it to get more down to the details. So I think this photo looks good to me. I've erased most of the obvious parts, and it doesn't have to be perfect since it's going to be kind of small and overlaid on another photo. So I'm gonna click done here. And there you go. Now we have Millie on Billie, and you can adjust it a little bit, maybe make the person a little bigger if you want, depending on how you want it to look. But I'm trying to make it look like Millie's actually standing on Billie's shoulder. Once you are done, you have other options. You can add things like text and then other images or elements to this photo. Whenever you are happy with it, you can just click export image. So my image is done loading. This is my final Millie on Billie meme. You might notice a small watermark here. If you do, you can remove that for free just by signing into your Kapwing account, and there should be a button up here that allows you to do that. Otherwise, to save it to your device, just click download. You can also use these embed buttons to just share it immediately to social media. Make sure you include the rhyme that it's based on. So I would write Millie on Billie, Some people are even writing like, you've heard of Elf on the Shelf, but have you heard of ... And then they'll write their rhyme. So up to you, basically just go and share it and then you're done. Thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing. We put out new videos every week on content tips and tricks and social media trends. If you have an idea for a video for us, let us know in the comments and we'll see you in the next one.